Here are 10 easy steps to go from failure to success. Now, man, if you are like most men out there, your life is a disaster, right? You are struggling with family issues, you're struggling with financial issues, you're struggling with relationships. You don't know what's going on. Things are blowing up in your face. It seems like going in and going out, and you don't even know where to go after a while. If this is you, then keep listening because here are 10 things that are going to transform your life if you can put these 10 things into action today. And now, the cool thing about these 10 things is that these 10 steps will change your life, but they're free. And actually, some of them, ultimately, all of them, will save you money or make you money. And these are things that are really just small tweaks. Some of them you might know already, some of them you might be doing. But my guess, you're not doing them all. And if you're all doing them all, good job. But there's always something to learn. But either way, if you're feeling behind, this video is for you. If you're feeling discouraged, depressed, down, you don't know what to do next, your life's a disaster, this video will help you pull yourself out of the muck. All right. One thing I want to tell you though, the very most important ones are at the very end. The last three, from 8 to 10, are essential. And then I'll give you throw in one more bonus at the very end that you will find very helpful. And it's probably the most important one. So the last four, counting the bonus, are the four most important ones that I want to really get to you. First, seems obvious, but so many men do not do this. Keep your word. If you say that you're going to do something, keep your word. So many men that I work with say they're going to do something and they don't follow through. They don't, they're not trustworthy. People can't trust them. They can't trust themselves. And they feel like a liar because they kind of are, because they're not trustworthy. They're not following through. They don't keep their word. So keep your word. Two, be on time. This kind of goes along with the first one. This puts you in places for success. When you're on time, when you're just struggling to keep your head above water and barely hitting one place to the next and 5 minutes late for everything, you are going to come in flustered and you're going to come in and people will be annoyed at you. But if you come in on time, you are be less annoying. People will respect you more. You will respect yourself. You will see your life change just by these two things will be a big boost to yourself. Three, respond timely to texts, calls, etc. I know this is hard. It's hard for me. It's something that we all struggle with, but it's something that we really need to do. I see so many guys who do not respond with when I reach out to them. It's not a good thing at all. Four, work a full-time job. So many men want to work a part-time job, which is totally fine, especially if you have the financial means to do it. Go for it. But most of us don't have that financial means. Go out there and go hustle. Go do something. You need to be productive in this world, whether that's at a manufacturing, whether that's building something, whether that's at an office. I don't care. You need to be doing something at least 40, 50 hours a week. You need to be productive. You need to be helping other people, helping the world. It gives you a boost of confidence and satisfaction if you do these things. Number five, pay your bills on time. When you pay your bills on time, not only do you have more respect for others, but you have respect for yourself, and you won't feel such a cheat to other people, because when you're not paying your bills on time, you are hurting other people because they have bills to pay as well. And if you're not paying, they're not getting paid. This includes rent, utilities, car payments, whatnot. Pay your bills on times. It prevents late fees. When you don't have late fees, all of a sudden you can start saving that money that you were paying in late fees. Take that away. Like, let's say you've been paying $50 a month on late fees for the last 3 years. Take that $50, since you'll be paying your bills on time now, and put it into an emergency fund. Put it into some sort of investment that can be turned into an emergency fund. These types of things will transform your life. And I just talked about 10 of these items. Now, one thing about all five of these that we've gone through of this 10, these things will decrease your drama. You'll be less overwhelmed. You'll be less stressed out if you can just do these first five. We haven't got to the most important ones at the end. And none of them take that much work. Things don't really need to change that much. As you notice, like keep your word. That's not that hard. Be on time, respond timely, work for a full-time job, pay your bills on time. These things are obvious things that can be changed easily, and things will not be, there's not that hard things to do, just small tweaks in your life. Next one, 6, pay your credit cards on time. If you're not paying your credit cards on time, if you have $5,000 in debt in credit cards, that debt is the most expensive debt you almost can have. There's some other debt that's more than that, but credit card debts is one of the where you see most of your money being drained, because it's money that you're paying the credit card company to pay your own, the money that you owe them, and you also have interest. And a lot of times interest for credit cards can be between like 15 and 30%. You don't want that. That's a lot of money leaving your pocket every single month. Pay every card on time every month. Calculate how much you're spending every month on interest. Take that money after you get all your cards paid off. Save that money into a investments or into an emergency fund or something like that, where you can start building that up, so you will not be stressed out, so you will have less drama in your life. This will give you confidence and give you a successful mindset. This will change your life just by this alone. Create number 7. This goes right along with number 6. Create an emergency fund, investment, or just use your credit card. What I would do is I just have credit cards as my emergency funds, and then I have investments, lots of money in investments, both stocks, real estate, everything. But investments and then cards. My cards are my emergency funds, because I have plenty of money on there that I can almost pay any bill that I ever need with my credit card if I have to. Now I have money other places I have saved, ready to pull out if needed, but the credit card is a great option. Okay, we went through 1 through 7. Those are essential. 8 through 10 are essential. Things that are just will change your life if you start doing these today. And again, just like the other ones, these are small tweaks that you can do that will make a massive difference. Each one of these are stop, stop, stop. 8 through 10, stop, stop, stop. The first one, stop making excuses. I hear this all the time. I can't do this because I'm late, because I'm sick. My car broke down. The tree fell on my house. X, Y. It just goes on and on. When you make excuses, no one cares. No one cares that you're not carrying through on your end of the bargain because of your excuses. They care that you're not holding up your end of the bargain. People don't want excuses. You lose respect for yourself, and others people lose respect for you. And that's not good. Because when you lose respect for yourself, you feel drama, you feel like a failure, you feel like nasty. So stop making excuses and go do it. Go fix the problems that you run into. Number 9, right along with this, stop, stop, stop. Stop complaining and start being grateful, full of gratitude. Have a gratitude attitude. It will change your life. If you're a victim, if you're a victimhood mentality all day long, people don't care. We all have problems. We all have issues. You need to stop complaining, be grateful, be upbeat. If you are emotional drain on others, others do not want to be around you. You don't want to be around you if you're emotional drain. So be grateful. Think of one thing to be grateful every single day, and then change it. And after that, start going to 2 after a week or 2, and 3. If you need to set up a system like this, so you can be more grateful and less complaining. 10. Stop emotionally unloading on loved ones. Let me repeat that. Number 10. Stop emotionally unloading on loved ones. What happens when you emotionally unload on other people? Again, it's a drain on them. They're tired of hearing your drama, especially men. If you're a man and you're unloading on your wife or your girlfriend or some sort of family member, they're tired of it. You're a man. They expect you to step up to the plate. If you need to unload, you need to find a mentor. You need to find a coach. You need to find a friend that's willing to listen to you, that says it's okay to talk to them about this stuff. Someone who you can confide in with confidentiality. All right, and it should be a him, not a her. So again, it's a him, not a her. That's super important. All right. So stop making excuses, stop complaining, and stop emotionally unloading. This will kill your confidence in yourself, and people start losing respect for you. The last one, like I said before, is the most important one. So if you stuck around to the very end, congratulations. This is the game changer. That is this: surround yourself with others who are successful. Consider this: if you are hanging around with people from the bar or from church, which one do you think will be more successful? The bar. People are there because they want to hang out, enjoy life, um, get a buzz, um, pick up girls. They want to. They're wasting a lot of money on alcohol, right? We can go on and on. They're around people who are maybe not the best for them. Consider church now. When you go to church, what do you hear? Do better. There's something better for you. Help other people. You can be successful spiritually. You can be successful in all areas of your life. Totally different message. And when you surround yourself with people who have a positive outlook on life, things will change in your life. You need to put yourself around people who are successful and not who are constantly dragging you down. If you have found this video to be beneficial, please subscribe. Please comment down below what you found the most beneficial and like this video. Also, grab your copy in the comments, in the bio, or in the description. The Man's Filter. This is a filter to help you if your life is a disaster. If it is, this filter is for you, a man whose life is a disaster.